How to set up your medical ID on iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add important medical and emergency information that can be accessed when needed. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Now select Medical ID. Here, tap Edit to start adding your information. You can enter important details such as your name, date of birth, medical conditions, medications, allergies, and emergency contacts. Make sure to fill in any information that could be useful to first responders during an emergency. Next, scroll up and make sure Show When Locked is turned on. This allows emergency personnel to view your medical ID from the lock screen without needing to unlock your iPhone. You can also add or update your emergency contacts from this page. Once you've finished entering your information, tap Done in the top right corner to save your medical ID. Your emergency information will now be available through the emergency SOS screen when needed. And that's how to set up medical ID on iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and